Anilego, and my topic is about anti-bullying advocacy. Today, I'm here to present our advocacy plan entitled Stand Together, Stop Bullying Now. This advocacy focuses on promoting kindness, respect, and safe environments to schools. Background of the advocacy. Bullying is a serious problem that affects many students. It can cause emotional stress, low self-esteem, and fear in school. This advocacy aims to raise awareness and encourage students to speak up and support one another. Objective. The objectives of this advocacy are to educate students about the different forms of bullying, encourage students to report bullying incidents, promote respect, kindness, and empathy among learners. The primary target of this advocacy is students, especially those in junior high schools. Teachers and school staff are also included to help support the program. Activities and strategies. To achieve our goals, we plan to conduct short discussions and seminars about bullying, poster making, and slogan contests. Classrooms campaigns promote positive behavior. Peer support groups. Timeline. This advocacy will be implemented for 1 month. First week, planning and preparation. Second week, information drive. Third week, advocacy activities. Fourth week, evaluation. Expected outcomes. Through this advocacy, students will become more aware of the effects of bullying and safe and feel safe in schools and develops respect for others. Evaluation. The success of the advocacy will be evaluated through surveys, student feedback, and observation of student behavior. In conclusion, this advocacy helps to create schools environment where everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. Thank you, and let us stand together to stop bullying.